the days and nights are filled with anticipation, and the time is right and there is no hesitation. That's just about the time you receive a holy visitation. Now the angels, they're descending from God's holy throne. You hear a name being called. Could it be your own? Watching and waiting for the moment you can feel. Deep, deep, deep down in your heart you know God is real, and by His precious Holy Ghost you will be sealed. And now the angels, they're descending from God's holy throne. You hear a name being called. Could it be your own? Expecting all that God can do will satisfy. And when you live and stand by faith, you know you will qualify to do the things in which our great God